around the viewers. We're here in Riga, about to go for a boat ride. Check out some panoramic views. The vibrant sounds of old Riga.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hello, how are you? So here for you. Oh, probably live music, but that's probably in the evening when there's a lot of people. Traveling around the globe. 1 hour trip, 15 years, and children's are for free. We set off. Having a beer. Instead of walking around, you could take an hour trip on the river to show you around. It's beautiful for a hot day like this because it's like a breeze from the river. Check out this library. Castle of Light, I believe it's called. One of the biggest in Europe. It's actually my first time on this boat, you know. I've seen it many times, but I never went, you know. So there's always a first time for everything. I would imagine that's a television tower. We're in the same similar boat, a little bit bigger than that one. We have two floors. I like this bridge, it's very beautiful. I think once they had the story where the guy tried to climb on top by the ropes. Insurance building, BTA. You know, I love visiting Riga, as it always leaves me with great memories. If you ever get a chance to visit Riga, make sure you go for a boat ride. It's a great little experience. Thank you for your view. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.